and today I'm just going to share a quick recycling tip with you. I have here a massive big pan of chilli. I better not tip it up on the side, I suppose. Now I actually made this yesterday, and when I'm making chilli I make a lot so I can put it in the freezer so we can have it for other meals, and we can have it for lunches and things like that. Now my recycle tip is that I save all of my bags. So when I have frozen fruit in soft plastic bags, I don't throw them in the bin. I wash them out with soap and water and things like that, or you can get a jar and you just put them upside down on the top of it like that, and it dries. Okay, and you can use it, and when you've used it for, say I'm going to use it to bag the chilli up, you can then wash it out again with soap and water and reuse it. So you can reuse it many times. Okay, so I have things like my frozen cherries, then I have tortilla wraps. These ones are really good because you can reuse them, and they've got a zip lock on the top. You've also got things like the dried fruit bags with the ziplock on the top, but you don't need a fancy ziplock bag. We've got the old bread bag which you can use because this has no holes in the bottom. I wouldn't use, just check your bags though to make sure that they've got no holes in the bottom, because some of the fruit bags do have holes in the bottom. So what you need to do with these, as I say, is wash them out. What I'm going to do to store this chilli is I write on the bag, I'll actually put what's in it, because there's nothing worse than getting a bag out of the freezer of frozen stuff and you don't know what's in there. It's a bit like getting a tin can with no label on. Is it dog food? Is it peaches? You don't know until you open it, and it's a big surprise. So I always write on there what my item is, and I also write in Sharpie the date, so I know that hopefully I can use it within 3 months of it going in the freezer. And I write on there how many portions I've got. So I divide it into portions so we can just get it out of the freezer and use it for dinner. And it's really quick if you want to have quick dinners and things like that. So get saving your bags. So don't throw them away, guys. Reuse so they don't go to the landfill. My lovely pan of chilli, which I'll share the recipe with you another day. And I get my spoon and I'm going to scoop the portion size. So this one's 3 portions. So give everyone 2 spoonfuls of chilli. So that's 1. So how many spoons will I need? So I've got 3 people and they're all having 2 scoops. So how many scoops will I need? Oh, that's right. You got it right. It's 6. So there's 2 in there already. That's 3, 4, 5, and a 6. All I do is get that, zip it up, and then I stick that in my freezer. And it's brilliant because then I've got a meal ready on hand, and chilli we can make into, our favourites here is chilli bricks, where you get bread rolls and put a hole in and put chilli in, and we put cheese in, but I'll show you that again. I'll put another little video on there. We like chilli and nachos, we like chilli and rice, we like chilli and jacket potatoes. So the list goes on. You can make a pan of chilli this size last for about 8 meals for a family of 4, which is really good. And just put more beans in if you want to make it go further. but we'll send a recipe online for this. So recycle, yeah, or even better, reuse, which is what we're doing with these bags. You can't recycle these bags because they are soft plastic, so reuse them wherever possible.